Hey everyone, this is Kevin Brandt, author of the Senior Dummies Guide to Android Tips and Tricks. Second edition. Let's take a quick look inside. Edited, of course, by my great friend and colleague, Gene Less. Check out his poetry. Definitely want to check out his poetry. Very good stuff. All available on Amazon. Of course, this is on Amazon as well. This is the black and white edition. You'll see that the book has been updated. We've had the second edition here for quite a while. Got our quotes on the back of some of the things that you can learn from this book. Definitely a good book for seniors or for the sandwich generation folks like myself. We have kids and we've got seniors that need help with technology. So there you go. A book for everybody, I think, that would make a great gift for seniors. And I think everyone would like this. This is the black and white edition. So let's take a look inside. We have a color edition as well. It's a little more expensive because of printing costs. You'll see, first and foremost, from all of these pages, that we really went with large print as much as possible. Print is pretty big. I know even for myself, I'm getting to the point where I'm having a hard time reading small print for certain things. Try to make the images as big as possible so that everyone can see what the images on their screens look like. Good for Android tablets, good for Android phones. And as we all know, they don't come with manuals anymore. They haven't for a long time. So when you get one, you're really expected to follow on-screen prompts and instructions. And sometimes that can be kind of hard. What you'll notice too is we can take a look at here and we've got some accessibility settings. For example, this one here is try color inversion for easier night viewing. And we've got very big circles, black and white here, showing where you want to put your finger on the screen and tap it to get to the next part. And very clear instructions step by step on what to do. And a little bit of explanation about what each of these parts features actually mean. So you'll see here, we'll want to go to accessibility. We're going to tap the little button here. It's a little slider button, what it is on the screen. And then the colors will invert. And that's how you do that. And it steps you through that for each one of these. So we talk about some of the basics, how to get started. And going back to the table of contents, and there are tips and tricks, of course, but really a get you going kind of a book. And each of the different tips and tricks are here in each of the different chapters showing which page you want to go to. You don't have to read the book end to end. You can pick and choose the things you want to see. We've got additional information here that we didn't have in the first edition. Definitely this chapter 7 with the different versions, and talking about device versions can be very helpful. Go right to 228 here. You can see some slider arrows here as well, showing how do you slide your finger. Talking about USB connectors there on that part. Device version's important. Some people have systems that are relatively new. Some are kind of older. And we talk about the significant versions really right from the start. There are some very, very old versions like version 1. Really this one here, 4.1, 4.2, 4.3. That's what this was all about, this particular section. And that was called Jelly Bean. And that was really the first significant release of Android where tablets and phones actually were really coming to the forefront right around when Apple came out with their iPhone, of course. And so we stepped through version 4. KitKat was big, and then we go through each of the different versions. And they used to call them by something sweet. Version 8 was Oreo, and so on and so forth. So this will kind of help you see the differences between the versions. And you can pick out which one you have, and you'll find out from here the differences in some of the settings and where those things actually lie. So I think it's a great gift for seniors, great gift for yourself if you're kind of not very tech savvy, and I think you'll very much enjoy the Senior Dummies Guide to Android Tips and Tricks, second edition, expanded and revised. Thanks everybody. Give it a look.